When we eat noodles, the journey begins in the stomach, where digestion breaks them down into simple nutrients. These nutrients move into the intestines, where they are absorbed into the bloodstream and delivered throughout the body. As glucose from noodles reaches the brain, neurons become more active, supporting focus and mental energy. Muscles receive fuel, helping restore energy and strength, especially during physical activity. Inside the gut, digestion activates the microbiome, supporting temporary digestive balance. As nutrients circulate, organs and tissues light up with energy, showing how noodles can provide a quick source of fuel for the body. However, excessive consumption may also have side effects. The stomach lining can become irritated, blood sugar levels may spike rapidly, and energy can drop soon after. In some individuals, sensitivity or allergic reactions may appear. Like all foods, noodles are best consumed in moderation, balanced with protein, fiber, and nutrients to support overall health and sustained energy. Understanding how food works inside your body helps you make smarter dietary choices.